to receive the echo of your life. It's all here in black and white in the lyrics of this song. You think you are walking the path of the righteous, you think you're doing fine. It's like the kids in Palestine, they fight each other. And you gotta separate these different things, 'cause freedom is never fair. Freedom is never fair. Love, friends and companionship is what is left. That's what you have to dare. That's what you have to dare. This is just a conventional pop song, conventional pop song of our days. This is just a conventional pop song, conventional pop song of our days. This is just where the roses bloom, and I think that I can love you, love you, love you. Cause they are leaving, we know they are leaving their loved ones every day. There's no use for pleading guilty